Tell me, Shirley, what number are you going to sing?
Well, Yellowbird.
Very sad, makes me feel so bad. You can fly away in your sky away. You're more lucky than me. Wish that I was a yellow bird, I'd fly away with you. But I am not a yellow bird, so here I nothing else to do. Yellow bird up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Better fly away in the sky away. Pick a coming soon, pick from night to noon. Black and yellow you, like banana too. They might pick you someday.
The first things that strike you when you arrive in Jamaica are the colors. The blues of the sea and the sky, and the vivid colors of the flowers, orange, scarlet, and purple. If you're lucky, you'll see the many colors of the birds, in particular the yellow of the banana bird, and the vivid green tail feathers of the hummingbird. Look. These hummingbirds are at Rocklands Bird Sanctuary near Montego Bay, and their friend is Miss Lisa Salmon. Miss Salmon, what made you start the bird sanctuary?
When I moved up here in 1952, I realized that nobody was thinking about the birds, and they were shooting the birds mercilessly. So that I started taking up the cause of the birds, and that brought the sanctuary into being.
It's all stopped now, then?
In a way, it has stopped, but it has not.
What is in this?
Sugar and water.
And obviously they like that.
Yes, and it so happens to be granulated sugar, and the doctor birds won't drink anything else, unfortunately.
How did you find out that they liked that mixture?
Well, we knew that they did like a sweet syrup. It took a long time at the beginning to get them to drink out of this type of bottle. Well, eventually, everything started coming into it.
I noticed there's a hole there.
But they put their tongue in that.
And they suck it?
They suck it out with the tongue.
Oh, that's incredible, like a baby.
Yes.
That's fantastic. Do the different types of birds have their favorite foods?
Yes. The hummingbirds, of course, only drink nectar. The grass squirts, the yellow-faced grass squirts, and the ground doves, they eat. Let me pour some in your hand.
Oh, fantastic. Good.
That's the male yellow-faced grass squid. Now, he is eating millet and sorghum and rape.
I think the hummingbird is my favorite because I like the way they hover, the beautiful color. What was it you told me you called it?
The flying jewel of Jamaica.
Oh, that's beautiful. The flying jewel of Jamaica.